Welcome back to my Chanel supercar. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS not only moves, but it also moves on the asphalt. Its aerodynamic silhouette is like that of a panther draped in liquid crimson. Seduction. In just 14 seconds, the hardtop retracts, transforming the vehicle from a coupe into a bouncing sonnet of exhilaration in the open air. Every slit and curve is a love letter to speed, with accents made of carbon fiber that sparkled like obsidian in the Mediterranean sun. The cockpit is a futurist's dream inside, a minimalist temple made of titanium and alcantara. Embrace the chauffeur. Like a living thing, the digital instrument cluster pulses, putting out shift lights that look like holograms and move around you. The wheel of the car, stripped of buttons for purity, it plays like a Stradivarius when touched by a virtuoso. An extended hood conceals a hybrid-assisted 6.5-liter V12 beneath it, roaring to life with an output of 819 horsepower, a number that borders on arrogance. 0 to 100 km/h, 2.8 milliseconds. The Lamborghini Aventador SVJ and McLaren 765 LT Spider Roadster's performance sheets are shredded in enmity, and they are left gasping in its wake. The 812 GTS is an heirloom in motion for $450,000. Thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.